Hello guys, it's battle time. So today you are going to decide which 3D printer would I buy. I don't guarantee you that I will buy the one that win, but I mean it's good just to know your opinion on this thing. So the first thing, the print volume of the printers. So the LG Neptune 4 Pro has print volume 225 by 225 by 265 millimeters. And the Bambu Lab A1 Mini with AMS Lite has print volume 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters. Both printers can print up to 500 millimeters per second, which is fast. And yeah, they are very fast printers. Elegu's Neptune doesn't have multicoloring, but the Bambu Lab does. Intelligent and bed heating is what Neptune has and Bambu Lab doesn't, but I will describe it. So it means that it will not heat if you print something small. It will not heat the entire bed. It will just heat a middle, which is very good to save some energy. Both printers hot and can go up to 300 degrees Celsius, which is good. PLA, PETG, ABS, DPU and nylon, that's materials that Neptune 4 Pro can print, and Bambu Lab A1 Mini can print PLA, PETG, PVA and DPU. The price of the printers are the Elegus 347 or 7,990 Czech crowns, and in Czech Republic at $651 or 13,990 Czech crowns in Czech Republic. Oh, and I forgot to say that Neptune 4 Pro doesn't have a Wi-Fi connection, and A1 Mini does. So this is a Neptune 4 Pro. It looks pretty juicy. I mean, it looks very futuristic. I like the design. But I think that the Bambu Lab A1 Mini looks even better. It's very elegant. I like it. So yeah. And here is the comparison table once again. Enjoy!